So here we are, St. Louis, Missouri. This is Terminal 2 where Southwest is. And tonight I'm going to St. Louis, Missouri. I got to check my bag down here because I have plenty of time. And then I'm going to try to see, I said in my previous video coming here that the airport, these Terminal 2 and Terminal 1 do connect if you want to walk. But I was told tonight by my brother it doesn't exist anymore. So I'm going to go check that out. But there is nobody here and I'm going to check my bag. So be back. No, this main checkpoint, not TSA Pre at all anymore. You got to go to this one. And just like that, through security. The beauties of traveling Tuesday night at 7 o'clock. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go all the way down here to the left. And I am pretty certain, I mean, I thought you could go all the way down here to the left and get back to Terminal 1. But my brother, when he was taking me here tonight, said that you couldn't do that. So this is my challenge, just to go and see if this is possible. Because a long time ago, it was possible. I see the end. It definitely doesn't connect. We're going to go down there, though. So my brother was right. This is the chapel, if you ever want to go to the chapel. And look, this is it. This is all you can do. If you could go there, right there, that'd be Terminal 1. If they shut it down. You have to go. You'd have to take a shuttle to get over there. Crazy. Okay, well, we figured it out. There you go. There we go. Denver. Hey, Mason, hey, Cam. See what plane it is right there. I am going to... Sure, I'll take it. It's literally sitting right where, at the very first spot you can get the front. So you can't even see the engine, can't even see the wings, really. Yeah. This is really interesting. I've never seen this security checkpoint, and it's like right here by the main terminal. It's I guess they're starting to work on this or something. It's kind of weird. Okay, so I got my luggage. I am going to get my ride. It says Island 5, Zone I or something. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. St. Louis is where I grew up. Learned that, but back in the day, you used to be able to go from Terminal 1 to 2. And obviously you can't do that anymore. Big things you learned in this video. And also Southwest doesn't like to dim their lights all the time. So that kind of not the best. Trying to get video at night. But I appreciate you watching. And I appreciate all the people that leave comments or have questions. Feel free to leave any questions you have or comments in the comments section, and I'll be sure to get back to you whenever I have the time. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it's not. And yeah, I really do appreciate everybody watching the videos. And if you do like this content, be sure to hit like and subscribe to see more content like it in the future. As always, take flight. I'm literally walking where you're not supposed to be walking. It's funny that my Uber is all the way in I. I don't know why they never put you close to the zone you choose yourself. You know, it pops up. It only gave me two options, H or I. Yeah. It's the beauty of using apps to control your life.